Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen faucets, specifically focusing on low-arc faucets. Whether you're in the middle of a kitchen renovation or just looking for a simple upgrade, choosing the right faucet is important. Unlike their high-arc counterparts, which can reach up to 10 inches tall, low-arc faucets have a spout that sits between 3 and 8 inches above the sink deck. This creates a sleeker, more streamlined look that can blend seamlessly into various kitchen designs. Aesthetics. The low profile offers a clean, uncluttered look, perfect for modern or minimalist kitchens. It also won't block your sightlines if you have a window above the sink you love looking out of. Functionality. Filling tall pots and vases might require a bit more maneuvering, but for everyday tasks like washing dishes or rinsing fruits and veggies, a low-arc faucet is perfectly functional. Space saving. If you have a smaller kitchen or limited counter space, a low-arc faucet won't visually overpower the area and can make the space feel more open. Potentially lower cost. In general, low-arc faucets tend to be slightly more affordable than high-arc models. Functionality. While low-arc faucets are great for most tasks, consider your cooking style. If you frequently fill large stockpots, a high-arc faucet might be more convenient. Sink size and style. Make sure the spout reach of your chosen faucet is compatible with your sink size. For example, a wider sink might benefit from a slightly longer spout even in a low-arc design. Style. Low-arc faucets come in a variety of finishes and designs to complement your kitchen decor. Pull down or pull out spray. This allows for more flexibility and easier cleaning of hard-to-reach areas in the sink. Touchless activation. A touchless faucet can promote hygiene in the kitchen, especially useful if you're constantly washing your hands while cooking. Hot and cold water dispenser. Some faucets offer a built-in dispenser for filtered or instant hot water. Installing a low-arc faucet is generally a DIY project for those who are comfortable with basic plumbing tasks. However, if you're unsure, it's always best to consult a professional plumber. Low-arc kitchen faucets offer a stylish and functional option for many kitchens. Consider your needs, preferences, and kitchen setup to determine if a low-arc faucet is the right choice for you. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions about low-arc faucets or kitchen renovations in general, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful home improvement content.